Hakakat kendai terek mentau banai ke sorkar jela ringkat bar keliang persya kilai syong perkat langi kilat kilanti banyele persya ke kelam COVID-19 hapo ke jela Meghalaya. Ubamed baling do lampang ke ying do bar thawan ulai thu bakilai kran halor kumno ban penhiar ke jing sapriang jokani ke kelam.
So this time again, we have to be more focused on the participation of the people of the state from all walks of life in order to ensure that the government delivers and take care for its own citizens. I also would like to appeal to all the Darbar Shnongs, the headmen, the Sardar, the leaders of different groups, the NGOs, the religious groups, and so on, to come forward and work together with the government against this fight and the spread of this COVID-19.
Nakaliang menteri rang ba ke jelau konr ke sangma ulong baki pai ba kim de banting ye ke jingduna ke vaksin na marhadu menta ke jela ke don palat shilak teli.
When the second wave came and it started hitting the younger age group, 35, 40, 45, it was kind of a surprise because we all understand that mutation of viruses don't take, it doesn't happen so fast, but the way this particular virus is mutated caught everybody by surprise. So it will always be a challenge. Let's not, I should say the worst thing we can do is to let our guards down. So therefore we need to be prepared for all eventualities. We need to see all different kind of scenarios, do our best to ensure that we're able to stop the spread of the virus even now, and most probably we will, that if a third wave does come, then we need to ensure that the spread needs to be contained very fast. And obviously infrastructure building is something that will be a continuous process. So it will be very important that we continue to do it, but we have to keep in mind that no matter how many beds we get, it will never be enough. There will come a point in time where we may run out of beds. So it's a scenario which one needs to be prepared for, but we will do our best to expand. We have seen, and today we had presented to all the members that in the last 3 weeks to 4 weeks, we have almost doubled our capacity in almost every aspect. So we are moving at war footing on this, and we're creating all different options so that we are able to handle things and manage things in a better manner, even now and even for the future. So we have to be prepared. The good part about at least this particular situation or this pandemic that we're facing is that in the second phase, or the second wave, the vaccine has come, and so we are hopeful that once the production is bumped up, once the production supply chain from the companies and from Government of India is streamlined and we get the sufficient vaccines, we're hopeful that would really help us fight this in some stronger manner, I should say. But once again, the 18 and below age group will still be vulnerable. So therefore, one will really have to see how things happen. So right now, with what is in front of us is a challenge of ensuring that we reduce the speed of the spread of this virus. And as mentioned by the Honorable Speaker and the Honorable Elo, that we need to all come together, we need to work together. Today's meeting is another very, very powerful message to the people of the state, that when it comes to the health and lives and interests of the people, the opposition, the ruling,
Udang ilam keliang persyaw Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong baka sorkar hagani ka kinti ka deban shimi ki jing ay jing mut na baro na ki MLA na ki seng bahalang la ni ki kinhun berkumjuru na ki nong shong shnong jong kajala.
Been discussed, and I am hopeful that the government has taken cognizance of these whatever suggestions and submissions we have made, and will continue to take cognizance of not only what we have said here, but even from the citizens, whoever is trying to reach out to the government and express their concern. So hopefully, the fight is on. We have to be prepared. This is a second spell. If you remember my interaction with the press last year, I have referred to other pandemics of the past, where the pandemics had spells after spells. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. If you look at that Spanish flu, it has had 4 waves in 2 years. Similarly, if you look at Black Death, how many spells? Today, we have bigger challenge because of the population density, because of the way of life of our people, and because of the immune system that we talk about ourselves. I must share this concern from my side to all our citizens. We need to look at how important it is for every individual to boost up immune system.